In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a new channel in Slack. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open your Slack workspace using the Slack website or desktop application, and move to the main workspace screen where your channels and conversations are listed on the left side. Once you are inside the workspace, scroll down until you find the Channels section. Under the list of existing channels, click on Add Channels to open more options related to channel management. A small menu will appear on the screen with different choices available. From this menu, click on Create New Channel to begin setting up your new channel. After the setup window opens, you will see a field where you can enter the channel name. Type the name you want to use for the new channel, then continue by clicking Next. Slack will then ask you to choose the visibility settings for the channel. At this stage, you can decide whether the channel should be private or public. If you choose private, only invited members will be able to access the channel. If you leave it public, other Workspace members will be able to find and join it. Select the visibility option you want for your channel, then click Create to continue with the setup process. After creating the channel, Slack will move you to the Member section, where you can start adding people to the new channel. You may see an option to automatically include members from another channel. Or, you can manually add people by typing their names or email addresses into the provided field. Continue selecting the members you want to include in the channel. If you prefer to do this later, you can also continue without adding anyone at this stage. Once you've finished selecting members, click Save to complete the setup. After saving, the new channel will immediately appear under the Channels section in your Slack workspace. You can open the channel anytime to begin sending messages and managing conversations. The channel visibility and member access will follow the options you selected during setup, and the new channel will remain available inside your workspace for future communication and collaboration.